Right, next up we're going to insert the hard drive into the case. The hard drive is mounted within the case using this rack here. We screw it in using these screws into these rubber bands. After we've inserted the hard drive into the hard drive caddy, we then connect to the power supply via the SATA power cable. This has got, the shape of this means it'll only connect to the hard drive in one way, so there's no chance of getting that wrong. It's very easy. It's just this connection here, and there it goes. Following that, you use the SATA data cable to connect to the motherboard. At this end, it connects to this smaller connection here, like so. And there we have it. Right, we shall now be connecting the graphics card. The graphics card connects to the motherboard via PCI Express and uses these pins here to do so. It literally just slots in. The PCI Express is this blue slot down here. Before we connect it to the motherboard, we're going to connect it up for additional power using this 6-pin connector here straight from the power supply. So you're literally a case of these 6 holes here, line it up with the clip on this outside edge, and in it goes. Next, we slot into the PCI Express slot itself. It's just like that. And that's it. We now screw it in and just secure it to the back plate of the casing. Don't want it slipping about. Right, and that is now secure.